Hi friends! So today I'm going to read you a story about some bugs and insects. So while we're reading the story, I need you guys to look, listen, and have a quiet mouth. Shh. Okay? Alright, let's see. This book is called Creepy Crawlers. Let's see what animals we have inside. This is a ladybug. Ladybug. What color is the ladybug? What color? The ladybug is red. Red. And it has black spots. You see them? Black spots. This is a butterfly. Wow, look at the butterfly. What are these called? Do you know? These right here? Wings. Good job. The butterfly has wings, and then it has some antenna over here on the top of its head. Antenna. This is a dragonfly. 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 Look, the dragonfly has wings too. This is a fly. Fly. Oh, look at the fly. It has one set of wings. Just one. One set. But there are two wings. So look, let's look really quick. The dragonfly had two sets. 1, 2. But it has 4 total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what's next. This is a bee. Bee. What sound does a bee make? Good job. Bzz, bzz. Can you try? What sound? Bzz. And it has a little stinger. Can you pretend to have a stinger? Bzz. Good job, friends. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar. Look. Caterpillar has lots of legs. Lots of legs down here. Caterpillar. This is a grasshopper. What do grasshoppers do? Do they sleep? Or do they jump a lot? Good job. They jump. Jump. Let me see you jump. Jump, 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 jump. Good job. Just like a grasshopper. Last one. Oh, let's see if you guys know what this one is. What is it? That's right. This is a spider. Spider, 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 spider. Good job. Spider. Those were all the bugs and insects we're going to talk about today. Thank you so much for listening and for looking. All right, have a good rest of your day. Bye.